Hello everyone, this is Jim with B&R Septic making a quick video on how to set your rotary timer. Rotary timers are quite simple. It's a 24-hour clock that's set into 2 increments. You have 12-hour periods between AM and PM. As you can tell, right here it goes from 12 midnight to noon, and then noon back to 12 midnight. The little arrow right here is going to point to the current time. So if we want to set the current time, which right now, let me look at my other phone, is 10:14. Obviously this clock's a little off. So all you do is you rotate it clockwise till you get to the proper time where you'll stop at the 10 o'clock. Now it's always going to be slightly past the actual hour. And then you turn the minute hand to the approximate time on the clock. That's how you set the time. Now for times when you want it to spray on the timer mode, sorry my hands are shaky, you take the little notches here and you press them in the out position. When they're out is when it'll spray. So right now we have it set from midnight to 6 AM is when it'll spray. The ticks that are in is when it won't spray. The little knob right here, or the little notch, this is the timer setup. If you want it to spray on time, you have this notch in the middle. If you want it to spray on demand, you click it up. If you want to turn the pump off, put it in the down position. Now don't leave it in the down position, because if you do, the pump won't work at all. So always make sure to leave it either in the middle position, which you'll hear a little click, which is going to be for timed, or up for on demand. On demand means anytime the float is up, it'll pump until it goes down and it'll turn off. Now if you're having a party or something and you don't want these spray heads to go on for whatever reason, because the party might last behind can't speak today, past midnight, press in the down position, but you must remember when you're done to put it back up. Now if for some reason your alarm goes off up here when you have it off, that means you have high water in the system. That doesn't necessarily mean it's going to overflow. It just means that there's more water in the system likes, and just go ahead and put it back up. Now, if this alarm goes off during the day and your air pump's still working, that means you may have used too much water. To be able to fix that, just put it into the on-demand position, and it'll go ahead and pump it down until the water's low enough when the light goes off, and then you can put it back to the time position. If you have any questions or comments on this, go ahead and give us a call on the number left on your yellow sheet.